Hey guys, welcome to a new video by TechnoGuy and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a simple random password generator through Python. So this is a really useful program and it has many applications, and in many websites this generator it generates a random password for you with a combination of letters, numbers and symbols, a strong password. Alright, so we are going to make a similar program in Python to generate a random password each and every time the program is run. So here we will be using the random module, and we will be using two of the functions of the random module. So it's the random and the choice function of the random module. Alright, so let's get started. So the goal of this program is to basically randomly choose any letter. Each element of the password is to be chosen randomly by the computer, whether it is a letter, a symbol or a number. Alright, so let's start by printing sorry about that. Alright, so by printing this, hi, please wait for 5 seconds to get your password. Alright, so we just want this to be realistic, so I'm also adding a time module. So import time module. Alright, so import time. So just for 5 seconds we have to wait to get our awesome randomly generated password. Alright, so I'm going to make a password of length 6. Alright, so there will be 6 characters in the password so that we can keep it nice and simple. Alright, so character 1. So character 1 will equal to any random letter from A to Z. So random.choice, and we have a list here. Let me just create a list there called list of the alphabets. So I will just put all the letters in this list. Alright, so I have created my list of the 26 letters of the alphabet, and it has to choose any one letter from this list. Alright, so random.choice, and it's list alphabet. Alright, so that's our variable there. So it will choose any one over there and store it in the character 1 variable. Alright, we can also add another variable, character 2. This time it will be a number, random.random. My range is going to be from 1 to 9 because it's any digit. Alright, and the third one will be a symbol. Alright, so we have to create another list here full of symbols. So list symbols. Alright, so I'll go ahead and create a similar list with symbols instead. Alright, so that's my list of punctuation marks or symbols over here. So it has to choose any one element from here and use it in our password. So we again have a random.choice function, random.choice from list symbols. Alright, so that is our first 3 characters, and we can do that in a different order now. Now first comes our numbers, random.random, 1 to 9, and character 5 will be alphabets, random.choice from list alph. Alright, and our final character will be a symbol again as the last character. So that will be our password, and what we want to do next is print all the characters together. Alright, so I define a new variable, password. I'll just name it pwd to avoid confusions. So password is going to equal to character 1 plus character 2 plus character 3 plus character 4 plus character 5 plus character 6. So before that I will just define all of the characters as strings. Alright, now that I have defined password as this combination of all these strings together, I will finally print your password is, and I will print out the password PWD. Let's see if that works. Let me name that PWD generator. Alright, okay, so this has generated my password W4, 2I question mark. So that's my password, and I forgot to add the time.sleep function for 5 seconds. Alright, so I will add a time.sleep function here for 5 seconds, and then I will print my password. Let me run that again. 1 2 3 4 5. Alright, and that's my password. Alright, so this is generating really tough passwords even we cannot remember. Anyway, it's quite a decent password generator which generates a new password every time the program is run. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my new videos. Thank you for watching, have a good day, and goodbye.